I hope Tom is doing that. I hope Tom is doing that. I thought Tom was doing that. I thought Tom was doing that. Tom never finished doing that. Tom never finished doing that. Tom seemed to like doing that. Tom seemed to like doing that. Tom would get dizzy doing that. Tom would get dizzy doing that. Tom says he'll keep doing that. Tom says he'll keep doing that. Tom should have never tried doing that. Tom should have never tried doing that. Tom says he's considering doing that. Tom says he's considering doing that. I hope Tom is doing that now. I hope Tom is doing that now. Tom has been doing that a lot. Tom has been doing that a lot. Tom has a habit of doing that. Tom has a habit of doing that. I think Tom is doing that now. I think Tom is doing that now. I know why Tom was doing that. I know why Tom was doing that. Tom and I both like doing that. Tom and I both like doing that. Both Tom and I like doing that. Both Tom and I like doing that. Tom is going to try doing that. Tom is going to try doing that. Tom had a hard time doing that. Tom had a hard time doing that. Tom has a hard time doing that. Tom has a hard time doing that. I won't be doing that with Tom. I won't be doing that with Tom. I think that Tom is doing that. I think that Tom is doing that. I think Tom will be doing that. I think Tom will be doing that. I talked Tom out of doing that. I talked Tom out of doing that. You apparently enjoy doing that. You apparently enjoy doing that. I could try doing that myself. I could try doing that myself. Tom isn't doing that again, is he? Tom isn't doing that again, is he? Tom must be planning on doing that. Tom must be planning on doing that. Tom said he'd try doing that again. Tom said he'd try doing that again. Tom said he'll be doing that alone. Tom said he'll be doing that alone. Tom said he didn't like doing that. Tom said he didn't like doing that. Tom will stop Mary from doing that. Tom will stop Mary from doing that. I think Tom is finished doing that. I think Tom is finished doing that. Tom won't likely be doing that now. Tom won't likely be doing that now. Tom said he regrets not doing that. Tom said he regrets not doing that. Tom said he had trouble doing that. Tom said he had trouble doing that. Tom may be excused from doing that. Tom may be excused from doing that. Tom is quite likely doing that now. Tom is quite likely doing that now. Tom is likely to regret doing that. Tom is likely to regret doing that. Tom has spent some time doing that. Tom has spent some time doing that. Tom has decided to quit doing that. Tom has decided to quit doing that. Tom has decided to keep doing that. Tom has decided to keep doing that. Tom has been accused of doing that. Tom has been accused of doing that. Tom had no intention of doing that. Tom had no intention of doing that. Tom begged Mary to stop doing that. Tom begged Mary to stop doing that. When is Tom planning on doing that? When is Tom planning on doing that? Tom wasn't very good at doing that. Tom wasn't very good at doing that. Tom said he was through doing that. Tom said he was through doing that. Tom didn't seem to like doing that. Tom didn't seem to like doing that. Tom and Mary aren't doing that now. Tom and Mary aren't doing that now. Tom is doing that for his children. Tom is doing that for his children. Tom said he was used to doing that. Tom said he was used to doing that.